And here it is. The dry cleaning vessel has been restored. Now obviously there's a few things I could have done better. For instance, when I was heating it up to put in the tin gasket, I had it sitting on a piece of wood. The wood caught fire and smoked the outer surface here. It's entirely cosmetic, but I might at some point clean it up and maybe repaint the top. But yeah, that's the best it's looked since probably the 1960s. If we have a look in here, you can see that I do have a gasket. Oh, I think it's significantly heavier. If we look in here, you can see that I do have a gasket made out of tin. The idea is that will be gas tight, and that knife edge can squeeze down, push into that, and make a perfect seal. And when it gets buggered up, I can just melt it again to restore. Can't wait to start doing some more vacuum chamber experiments. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you then.